this is what I got going on. These are the pieces that I cut out of the hood. Basically, I'm going to put them together and I'm going to tack them so it creates a little lip like that. Something just like that. And then once I get them tacked together, I'll be able to throw it on the car, see what it looks like after that. Or from there. Whatever you want to say. So let's get into it. Alright, so that's the start of that. That's going to go over here. I'll show you, because obviously you can't see what I'm talking about. Oh, there's the hood. So this is going to go like that. On there. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, obviously that tack wasn't very good. I think that'll look friggin' sweet when it's on there. So I'm going to tack up some more, and I'll be right back. Sick! So the camera did not record any of this, but I got it on there. It's looking pretty sweet. The sides are a little bit high, but I should be able to just kind of take that down. That'll be good. But obviously got way more tack welding to do on it. But if I just kind of hit that a little bit, I think it'll be good. It kind of flares up, and I don't hate it. Now we just got to figure out the hell I'm gonna do with this lip here. I left it long intentionally. I'm not sure if I want to be honest, fold it over, you know, onto the hood, or if I want to leave it like that, and then I can connect the mesh that I plan on putting in just between these two, and then it won't really matter if that's in there. You know, you're not gonna be able to see it like that. And I think it looks good aesthetically. Oh, everything's getting caught on everything. So yeah, go down. Looks good aesthetically. So I'm going to do a little couple more tack welds on this. Grind it down and see what it looks like after that. I carefully ground it down so it's pretty dang smooth right here. I am going to obviously have to use some fiberglass or body filler probably fiberglass reinforced body filler to smooth it out. And I got to make little triangles for the end, but man, that looks freaking cool. It looks super sweet. Nice angle profile on it. Looks good like that too. Heck yeah. Still got a little bit more to do on it though. Oh, getting there. What you didn't see is me get the ends on here and get the ends on here. And I started mocking up for where I'm going to put the sides. I still can't decide if I should do mesh or solid. I like the idea of mesh because I think it'll just integrate it, and I'm going to have mesh, you know, down on the bottom as well. Ooh. But solid does look really cool as well. Let me grab that. I mean, solid does look cool. I can't decide. I think I'm going to go solid. I think that's the choice I'm going to go. I think it is though. With the mesh in the bottom, I think it'll look good. Mesh on the sides, it might look weird. But mesh on the side or mesh on the bottom, solid on the sides. I do like that. I wanted to do more to the hood vent today, and I was like, what do I have where I can use for steel? Because I wanted to make the sides out of solid steel, I decided. It's like thinking, then it dawned on me, why not use the center console or the center tunnel that I cut out of the car that I'm building this for. So I did just that. Went out, went over to there, got this, cut this piece out, which is gonna go in here. You know, you get the idea. Just gotta finish making, cleaning them up, cleaning up the other one, and then I can get them welded in there. As you can see, I got my piece in there. Now, I'm gonna wheel this thing up. Now, in my opinion, that looks freaking awesome, dude. Like, come on. Hell yeah. Nice and solid in there. Now, I'm just going to tack in the other side. And I'm going to be done for the day after that because it is 12 degrees outside and feels like 0. And I'm not about that life. This is what the underneath of the hood vent looks like. Currently not welded up fully at all. So to make it easier for myself, I'm going to take it off the car and weld it up. It's pretty easy. Kind of goes something like this. Like that. Got it all cleaned up. Now I'm going to tack it all together. Did I mention that it's cold? Stupid cold? Well, those are welded up. I'll start right there a little bit. All right. Obviously it looks ugly, but can't really throw beads down on sheet metal like that. Well, I can't. I'm sure there's somebody that can. I can't. Anyways. Flip this over and do some stuff to the other side. Oh yeah. Alrighty then. Now I got diddle-a-doot, diddle-a-doo, diddle-a-doo, doo-da-da-da, diddle-a-da. Tack up some more on this little edge here as well, I think. Maybe a little bit down here too. So watch me tack it up. Hold this. Something like that. No, something like that. Well, there you go. Am I worried about the panels working? A tiny bit, but it's super cold outside. They're cooling down really quickly, and I'm not putting up the heat. relatively. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to hit it with the old grinder and see what it looks like after. This is what it looks like before I hit it with the grinder. Looks pretty damn good. This is what the backside looks like after I ground it down and everything. Looking real nice. I gotta hit these spots a little bit more, but definitely good enough over here for some fiberglass body filler. Let me flip it over and I'll show you the top side. Top side looking pretty damn good as well. Got a couple little spots I want to hit up, a couple little pinholes. I'm just going to hit up with the welder, grind it down again, and then I'll be able to fiberglass body fill over all of this, hit this up a little bit more as well, and it'll be good to go. But in the interest of getting a video out this week, I'm going to put this one out as it is, and then the next video, I'm either going to be fiberglassing this hood, or I'm going to be bending the bar and getting that in for the main hoop of the inside of the world's first CDS Volkswagen Golf Mark IV. So, you know what to do. Please like the video, share the video, comment, and as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's freaking go, dude.